Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw from Binance to GCash using P2P trading. So let's dive in. Now first, log into your Binance account and make sure it's fully verified. If your account isn't verified, you won't be able to use the P2P features. And since P2P buyers will be paying you in pesos, you also need to make sure your assets are converted into PHP. Now, once that's all done, you want to head over to the P2P section. From here, you want to click this icon at the upper left corner of the screen, this three-line icon. Then choose P2P, usually found under recommended. Then from here, you have to do several things. So first, you want to make sure that you switch to the Sell tab. And then you want to make sure that the currency is set to PHP. It's found at the upper right corner of the screen, this one. After that, you want to filter the payment method right over here and choose GCash. So go ahead and choose GCash here. Confirm the filter so you only see buyers who can pay via GCash. Now from this list, you want to choose a trusted buyer. Just look for someone with a higher or high completion rate, ideally above 90%, and a good feedback. This reduces your risk of issues during the transaction. After that, you want to tap sell and enter the amount of PHP you want to receive. So double check the details and confirm the order. And Binance P2P usually charges zero fees for this. As you can see, this account isn't verified yet, so it would prompt me to verify this. But once it's all done, all you have to do next is to just simply confirm the order. And after placing the order, you want to wait for the buyer to send the payment to your GCash account. And this is very important. Do not release your crypto until you have actually received the money in your GCash wallet. Always check your GCash app directly. Once the payment reflects in your account, just go back to Binance and tap payment receive and confirm release. That will transfer the crypto to the buyer and complete the transaction. That's it. That's how you safely withdraw from Binance to GCash using P2P. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.